Go ahead and take a look at the interior now. Alrighty, inside we have power windows, power mirrors, and power door locks. We have an 8-way power driver's seat with 4-way adjustable lumbar support. Good look at that suede seating. Alright, going across the interior, part of the altitude package also includes the audio controls on the back side of the steering wheel, right here. We also have a heated steering wheel, that's part of the altitude package. This vehicle actually has heated seats, heated steering wheel, the automatic dimming rearview mirror. The altitude package also includes the 8.4-inch touchscreen display. You connect with the Bluetooth and microphone. It also includes an 8-way powered passenger seat as well. You got front illuminated cup holders. The E-shifter for the 8-speed transmission. Also on the steering wheel, you got paddle shifters. Trip computer menu. Bluetooth audio menu.